Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our drive time, literally a drive time, a freaking update, guys. It's a great time to be live, and we're going to be talking about CPI data, inflation. We're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Could we see a Dogecoin pump? Some people are saying that. We're going to be talking about an analyst who says that we could be seeing a freaking Dogecoin pump. Are you ready? Let's get prepared, guys. Let's jump into it without any further delay. Don't forget to go and smash the likes and show some freaking love for the OG. I would appreciate it, guys. And remember, go down there, smash the likes again, subscribe, and let's get into the content without any further delay, guys. Also, too, we're going to be talking about why did Bitcoin dump? Why is the fear and greed down, guys? So much more, guys. So remember, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into it. So we did see that the broader markets yesterday in the U.S. were positive, but almost flat, almost neutral. That was kind of disappointing considering that we had a positive CPI data. We did see that the consumer price index and broad measure of prices, goods, and services increased 0.2% for the month, putting the 12-month inflation rate at its lowest since 2021. So we see that now we're below 3%. So that is positive in itself. But we did see that crypto went down, and crypto went down not because of the CPI data, but because of something else that we're going to be talking about in a second. So you can see here that right now the current CPI data is 2.9%, and the last time we saw this kind of level was back in 2021 around March out there. So that is pretty good. So things are looking positive. We're seeing that more people are saying we're going to get some rate cuts. 64% are saying that we're going to get a rate cut, maybe about a 0.25%. We could be seeing that go down. So that should be good. And people are saying that September we could see a rate decrease, and that will absolutely pump the markets, and that is what we're looking for out there, guys. Time to get some Joe. There's no go without the Joe. Starbucks, I love it, guys. So just in case you're wondering, I ain't freaking driving out there. So we did have CPI data came out. That is pretty good. What else we have coming out today? We have initial jobless claims. Nothing too much. If you take a look at the crypto bubbles right now, we're seeing overall it is a pretty bad day. We're seeing Doge is down 2%. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 3%. We're seeing Beam is down as well. A lot of the meme coins are getting hit pretty hard out there. So that is what's going on out there. Overall, we take a look at the heat map. We're seeing that Bitcoin is right now trading at 58,533. That is down 3.75%. Solana is slightly up. ADA is slightly up, but overall, things are looking like they're going down. We're seeing fear and greed has dropped as well. That is not good. And the reason it dropped is because the U.S. government just moved around about 10,000 Bitcoin worth of Bitcoin to Coinbase to sell. So that triggered a bit of a sell-off in the markets out there. So that's what's going on. It's kind of interesting that, despite, what, the people are saying, like Trump and Harris are saying, is that they're being positive. They want to use crypto as a reserve, which is kind of weird. It's kind of weird that they're selling Bitcoin. So Bitcoin briefly dropped below 59,000 on Wednesday, following the news that the U.S. government had moved 10,000 Bitcoin to Coinbase. So that is kind of weird. I would not expect that to be happening. So right now we can see here, this was the dump out there that caused about 3.14% dump. So compared to where we were yesterday, we can see that we are down right now approximately, let me just get my tool out there, we're down approximately, we take this into consideration, and that almost 5% out there. So getting pretty close to 5% down. So that is not good out there, but we recover. This is just an anomaly. We're seeing that right now Bitcoin return Q3 is down 6.4%. For the month of August, not too good. Very bad right now, down 8.83%. So that's not looking good. Hold the fort, guys. Hold the fort. Guys, don't forget to smash the likes, and we got some Dogecoin news as well. So now we know why Bitcoin went down, because Silk Road 10,000 Bitcoin was sold out by the government. So overall, we're seeing that the market cap right now is also down 2.49%. That has to do with a lot of leverage traders getting wiped out, and that all happened because of the big sell-off by the U.S. government. So That's what's going on. We're seeing right now that Dogecoin right now is trading around about 10 cents. So 10-cent level is still holding. We're just kind of going sideways. So I think that's not too shabby out there. Some analysts say that Dogecoin is on track to see 100% increase, and I think we could easily see 20 cents coming in pretty soon once we get this chop. Ain't going to happen. September is not. September we should see some positive movement for Dogecoin. That's what I'm thinking. We're seeing that 73% of all Dogecoin holders are in the money right now, so that is pretty positive out there. We're seeing the total meme coin market cap right now is looking pretty good. We're seeing the market cap right now, which is going up. Going down right now. So we're seeing that overall the top coins right now is still Dogecoin. Dogecoin is the number one meme coin out there. So that is pretty good out there. So the total market cap for the meme coins is going down, down. So Ethereum also just kind of following this BTC. So BTC's just kind of going sideways. As I said, we got some resistance here. So we're just going to be, I think we're going to be trading in between probably 60,787 and low of 56.7. So I think we're just going to be going sideways for a while. So that's what's happening out there. Ethereum, pretty much the same thing. Dogecoin right now, it's also going sideways. It's dropped below our previous support of 10.62. That is now resistance. So that's not good. But overall, I think we're going to get there, guys. So this has come out. I think this is from Astronomer. He's saying that Doge is still on its path. So last update explained the high conviction on Doge because it has a lot of community footing. Big names backing it, like Elon Musk and stuff like that. Also a strong chart with high technical respect, where most projects are already below Q4 2023 prices. Doge is still holding that structure, which shows relative strength we like to look for. So we're still seeing that Dogecoin is holding its relative strength compared to other meme coins. And you can see here, what you need to be is you need to be patient. Here is because I still think if BTC continues to pull back locally as we have been seeing, so that might be from a local high here on Doge. Once the high is formed, in my opinion, Doge should break out, guys. So I think Doge is going to do this. Probably Doge is just going to, it's right here. We're probably going to go down. We have this demand here, W demand and W demand gap, and I think overall we will pump higher, guys. And I think September will be a huge pump for Dogecoin, and we could easily see ourselves in September getting back above 22 cents. So I'm pretty excited about that. You should be excited about that, guys. So guys, get prepared. The pump is coming. The pump is on, guys. So it's absolutely coming, guys. Did you know that US ETFs are on track to pass Satoshi's Bitcoin held in October? BlackRock alone is already number 3 on the price and will be number 1 by next year. So that is amazing, guys. Don't forget, if you got a NANO Leger, your crypto is safe. Go down and check out the link below, guys. I appreciate it. And global liquidity is about to spike, and when that happens, so will Bitcoin. So that is cool. Guys, did you know 4 major institutions added to the BTC holder exposure list today? So Swiss National Bank, Central Bank of Norway, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley now hold Bitcoin on their balance sheet, guys. MetaMask launches debit card. That is cool, guys. That is pretty cool. Also, too, we're seeing that Jerome Powell, if the Fed waits for 2% inflation to cut rates, we will wait too long. Massive money printing is about to happen, guys. So when that happens, Bitcoin is going to pump like crazy. And guys, if you take a look at these previous cycles, we saw this, a retest, and now we're seeing a retest before we have a huge pump, guys. So the market is not over, guys. It's absolutely not over. We're still way on track, guys. So that is pretty good. And remember NFTs? NFTs used to be really popular in the 2021 bull run. Then they disappeared. I believe that meme coins are going to be the new NFTs, and they're going to outlive and outstrip, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a closey. Guys, be peaceful, be blessed. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace.